Hello, my name is Robyn Meurant and I am an Executive Director of Regulatory Services for NSF Health Sciences. I'm the author of a white paper describing how to meet new European regulatory requirements for IVDs, also known as in vitro diagnostic devices. As many of you know, the new EU IVD Regulation 746 of 2017 has replaced the IVD Directive 98/79/EC. Manufacturers must now demonstrate compliance with the general safety and performance requirements. These requirements provide broad, high-level criteria for safety and performance applicable to design, production, and post-production aspects throughout the life cycle of all IVDs. Manufacturers that have demonstrated compliance under the directive need to ensure that the IVD remains in conformity with the new regulation. To assist, NSF has developed this paper. It will provide you with ideas on how you can demonstrate conformity with the safety and performance principles that are relevant to your IVD. Click to read the paper and perform your comparison, and feel free to send me an email through LinkedIn with any questions. Thank you.